Okay, so in this recording, I'm just going to show you how to run the non-parametric Mann-Whitney U test. So here's my data. We're going to go to Analyze. We're going to go down to non-parametric tests, and we're going to do independent samples. And when this window pops up, you're going to go to Fields, and we are going to use custom field assignment. So when you click on custom field assignment, you get to choose which variables go into the test field. So in this case, we're going to do the Sunday data and the Wednesday data, and we need a grouping variable, and we're going to do the type of drug. So it was between ecstasy and alcohol. And then we're going to go here to settings, and we're going to click on customize tests, and we're going to select a Mann-Whitney U, and we're going to click run. All right, so in this example, you are basically looking at the depression scores on Sunday between ecstasy and alcohol. And this value right here tells you that there's no significant difference between ecstasy and alcohol on the rankings. Remember, we're looking at rankings. We're not looking at the actual score. This is looking at the depression scores on Wednesdays between alcohol and ecstasy, and we find that it is significant. So one of the things you can do in SPSS is you can double click on this to activate this window, and it brings up another window which gives you some information. So remember, we're comparing the mean ranks between alcohol and ecstasy. All right, and so this data is telling us this is my Mann-Whitney U test statistics. So you're going to hear that term test statistics show up. And then we're going to look at this significant value, and it tells us that there is not a significant difference in rankings of depression score between alcohol users and ecstasy users. So there's no difference between the ranking of 9 and the ranking of 11. Okay. However, here, if we look at this value, all right, so here we're saying that our Mann-Whitney U test score is 4, and it is significant. So there is a significant difference between the ranking of depression from alcohol users of 5 and ecstasy users of 15.1. All right, so these again are ranking values. So this is a rank of 5 versus a rank of 15, and they're saying that there is a significant difference in the depression scores based on the rankings.